Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. Happy Ramadan to all of you, my Indonesian viewers, my Pakistani, Indian, and my Malaysian viewers. Assalamu alaikum to all of you, and welcome to my simple scenery drawing channel. So, my drawings are for beginners. I always say, take out your pencil, your paper, and start with me. I'm using a scale, I'm using a 2HP pencil, any simple pencil you can use. First of all, I'm drawing a house. I am drawing a window and a door in it, and on the left side, I'm drawing some bushes, and also on the right side, just like this. So, on the right hand side, now I am drawing a coconut tree, just like this, in a curvy line. आप सब व्यूवर्स का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मेरे चैनल पर आने के लिए. Thanks to all of you, and don't forget to comment to let me know in the comments how did you like my drawing and what should I draw for you in the future. So never forget to comment and also subscribe to my channel. Now I am drawing a straight line just in the background. Using the same pencil, I'm drawing some mountains behind the house. It's a simple mountain village scenery. And it's very easy to draw. I'm sure you will learn to draw with me. Now I'm drawing a boundary directed from the mountains to show the river. Now shading the coconut tree in this manner. Here I'm using a 6HP pencil as it's a little darker for shading. So I'm using this and shading on the one side.